Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into OneDrive and that your sync client is healthy. Once done, navigate to the folder containing the ZIP and verify there's enough local disk space to extract it. Make sure the file is fully uploaded if from another device. Partial uploads cause errors. Now, use the OneDrive web download action or let the client sync the file locally. This ensures you have an intact ZIP file before extraction begins. You'll choose an extractor depending on your system and archive complexity. On Windows, open File Explorer and right-click the ZIP, then select Extract All. On Mac, double-click to use Archive Utility. If the ZIP contains many files or path length issues, use 7-zip or WinRAR for better tolerance. Once extraction starts, watch progress and note any error messages about corrupted entries or long paths. If prompted, extract to a short local path like C/temp to avoid path length problems for nested folders. You finish by confirming the extracted files open correctly and checking file sizes against the ZIP listing. If something's missing or extraction failed, re-download the ZIP from OneDrive to eliminate transfer corruption, then try 7-zip's test or repair functions. Make sure OneDrive isn't still syncing or creating a conflict copy. Resolve conflicts before re-extracting. If Windows reports path length issues, move the ZIP to a root folder like C/temp and extract again. That single step often fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.